ka Sorkar jala hne ka singi kala sheme ka rai ban ra no shaka khat we shiteng Mynmiet ban phak hange ki Dukan ki badon hakilai tili ki jaka badon haka Nongbah haba pentip ekani hakilat pathai khubor usumbut menteri rangba ka jala ba prastun tan song ulong ba ya kate ka rai kila shem hadin ka jingalang bud din bat ki he Sorkar ki bor district badru ki he pulet.
Okay. Good evening, friends. Today, I call a meeting to review the law and order situation in the Shillong city, and the meeting was attended by Additional Chief Secretary Home, Secretary Home, the IGP, Deputy Commissioner, the SPs, East Castles, and ADM. So we had a detailed discussion today relating to the law and order. As you all know, few small incidents that has happened during the past week, but ultimately I would like to inform you that as of today, the law and order is very, very good, improved, and not much to worry about it. And the police department, along with the district administration, is all out here to make sure that peace, tranquility, and also safety of all citizens of the state, whoever are here in Shillong, they are totally safe and totally no worry at all wherever they visit or travel in and around Shillong. So we discuss about few issues relating to the order issued by the Deputy Commissioner, and we have identified few places where we need to further strengthen the security, the policing system in the part of Shillong, namely those area in Police Bajar, starting from that Assembly Hotel, then it leads to City Hot Dhaba, and also that road which leads to Watts Lake, and the Quinton Road, again up to Marriott Hotel, needs to be further strengthened. We have already decided also to have a proper lighting system somewhere in this area near Pegasus Hotel, and also that road which I just mentioned which leads to Watts Lake. Lighting system will be improved very, very soon. Very soon will be improved. Then also we identified some more places like Urkaliar. I think you all know about the Urkaliar stretch, and also the part of Polo, where we need to strengthen further the security services all round the clock. Not only night time or daytime, but all round the clock. So we have taken a decision. So instruction has been given to the district administration as well as to the SP, to the IGP, to strengthen and to make sure that these areas, these places which was already indicated, will be in a total safe to everybody. And as far as this order of the thing is concerned, of the DC is concerned, about closure of shops and all, up to 10 o'clock, let me just tell you, we have reviewed it, and in these three places which I've already mentioned to you, shops will be closed up to 11:30 p.m. Shops will be closed up to 11:30 p.m. in these three areas. One, as I said to you, part of Police Bazaar, as I've already mentioned. Number two, Polo Road, and number three, Urkalia. These are the three places where the order of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills will be still there, but it will start from 11:30 p.m. So that is the point number one, which we already discussed.